Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a zip file to GitHub. This is a straightforward way to add compressed files or entire project folders to your repository without extracting them first. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your repositories and activity. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to upload your zip file. This will open up that specific repository, showing you all its contents, branches, and commit history. Once you're inside the repository, locate the Add File button. It's typically positioned near the top of the repository page, usually alongside other options like code and issues. Click on Add File, and a drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From this menu, select Upload Files. This action will take you to a new page specifically designed for file uploads. On the upload page, you'll see an area where you can drag and drop files, or you can click Choose Your Files to manually select what you want to upload. Go ahead and click Choose Your Files. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the specific file you need. Browse through your directories until you find the zip file you want to upload. Click on it to select it, then click Open. The file browser will close, and you'll be returned to the GitHub upload page. At this point, your zip file should appear listed on the page, indicating it's ready to be uploaded to the repository. The final step is to commit these changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a Commit Changes button. Clicking this will officially upload your zip file to the repository and save it as part of your project's history. GitHub will process the upload, and within moments, your zip file will be visible in your repository alongside your other files. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a zip file to GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.